What are you trying to do? Okay, so here are birds. 1 second. I will open the curtains. Okay, hold on. Over here are, what is this called again? Huh? Canaries. Right here. They're canaries. And over here are Budgies. They are cute, big birds that I'm afraid to touch because they did grow and they are bigger now. But there used to be only this one. Her name is Aqua. It's a girl right there. And here's Spots. He is a boy. They have a nest. If you want your birds to give birth to an egg, you have to have a nest. Just saying. We have a nest there too. So the ones I like more are these.
Huh?
Yeah. Because they're much more bigger and you can actually play with them if you can. Put your hand inside. They have escaped in the cage for like a lot. So the name we named, why we named her Aqua is because she has a blue stomach, kinda,
And black and more.
and yeah, and Spots
more blue.
And Spots used to, well, he still has little spots on his feathers, so that's why we named him. It was really hard coming up with the boy's name because he had an unusual skin color. Anyway, these are the birdies. These are more birdies. Subscribe and please tell me which ones you like more.
Bye. Peace out.
Bye.
Subscribe.